I am here with my new little dinosaur friend at the Royal Tyrrell Museum here in Drumheller in Canada. And this museum is one of the most important and best museums for dinosaurs, most probably in the world. So I am super duper excited to go explore this and check it out. Maybe we'll find some dinosaurs? Well, no, probably not. They're extinct, so. Oh, look at the little baby dinosaurs. Look at the shadow on the wall. Yeah. 71 million years. Does it move? Whoa! This is so cool! Whoa! These are humans. Here's what we look like today. And that is probably what we will look like when the apes take over. So, you know, just a little warning. This over here is the real skull of this type of T-Rex that's up here. But because of the pose that it's in and being how heavy this skull is, they had to detach it and put it here instead of leaving it up there with the rest of its body. And they have nicknamed this one Black Beauty because of the color of the bone, which is really cool. But this is legit. This is a real, these are real dinosaur bones right here. Those guys are alive. Look at those cockroaches. They're huge. Look at the size of that guy. Oh, cool. Scorpion. I want to see the tarantula. Ooh, look at its hairy legs. These are the tail vertebrae of the world's largest known ichthyosaur. That is a long tail. That's so cool, that's so cool, oh my gosh! This is a leg of a Camarasaurus. I'm gonna go stand next to it now to see how it's huge. I want one for my house. Oh my gosh, look how cute they are. They could probably devour me in 3 seconds. Oh, it's a Stegosaurus. They are one of my favorite dinosaurs. So there's a little Romina trivia for you. Look at this. Look at this little thing. Look at it. Oh, it's a little baby. It's a tiny little baby. Well, if that guy isn't a tree hugger, I don't know who is. Whoa! Ah! That's so cool! Oh my gosh! Here's one of my other favorite dinosaurs, the Triceratops. It's so cute. So big. Time for the gift shop. Look at these ones. Tiny little dinosaurs. I just made it to the top of this outlook here. And this is the last bit of the museum. Just checking out the view. I'm going to go back down now, but I have had an amazing time here. I get super duper excited when it comes to dinosaurs, and seeing all those full skeletons there is just so impressive, and just thinking about how long ago these creatures lived on this planet is just, it's impressive. It's been a really great experience coming here to this museum. That is the end of our time here at the Royal Tyrrell Dinosaur Museum. Also the end of this episode. If you enjoyed this video, then please give me a thumbs up to let me know, and leave me a comment down below letting me know what is your favorite dinosaur. And if you haven't already, then please subscribe, because I make videos every single Tuesday and Thursday, and sometimes bonus videos on Saturday, so you don't want to miss out on that. But for now, I'm gonna go. So I will see you when I see you. Bye. By the way, this town is filled with dinosaurs everywhere. Like, there's little dinosaur decorations all over town, including this thing, which happens to be the world's largest dinosaur. It's huge.
This video was made possible by my patrons over at patreon.com/REDROMINA. If you like what I do, become a patron and be a part of the exploration.